Stubborn floor messes should not steal your time or energy. Welcome to my channel, where we're exploring the best steam mop options for deeper cleaning, fresher floors, and easier daily care. Check the links in the description and choose the mop that makes your home feel cleaner, faster. The number 5 product on our list is Leiksen Steam Mop. Your home's floor is essentially a microscopic battlefield where sticky residues and invisible bacteria linger long after a traditional bucket and mop have passed through. Most families unknowingly live on surfaces coated in chemical films that never truly feel clean under a bare foot. The Leiksen Steam Mop revolutionizes this domestic struggle by weaponizing 1,200 watts of power to vaporize water into pressurized steam in a staggering 12 seconds. While many search for a high-performance floor sanitizer that leaves the house smelling like a laboratory, this tool uses nothing but pure water to lift stubborn grime from hardwood and stone. It transitions from a floor unit to a 12-in-1 handheld cleaner, allowing you to tackle grease on a barbecue grill or wrinkles in your clothes with the same high-heat precision. Unlike the basic steam cleaners that require constant pauses, this model features a generous 565 milliliter tank, providing an hour of uninterrupted motion. It is an essential acquisition for parents and pet owners who want to eliminate the hazard of floor detergents. A minor drawback is that the carpet glider must be removed manually for hard surfaces, which can slow your rhythm slightly. However, the 23-foot power cord and self-standing design offer a level of convenience that makes the chore feel almost weightless. Choosing this hardware means you are finally trading the exhaustion of scrubbing for a high-speed thermal solution that respects your health. You are reclaiming your sanctuary with a sterilized finish that you can actually feel with every step. At number 4 is Hoover Steam Mop. Every single minute, your flooring acts as a magnet for microscopic dander and sticky spills that a standard mop simply pushes deeper into the crevices of your home. This buildup creates a dull, tacky film that no amount of traditional scrubbing can truly conquer, leaving your sanctuary feeling perpetually unfinished. The Hoover Steam Mop serves as a thermal intervention, utilizing specialized steam stream technology to blast concentrated heat directly into the heart of the most stubborn messes. While many shoppers look for a high-performance floor sanitizer that relies on expensive refills, this machine harnesses nothing but the natural energy of water to melt away grime. It is a chameleon of cleanliness, transitioning from a sleek floor unit into a nimble handheld steamer equipped with 10 distinct attachments for grout, upholstery, and kitchen surfaces. Unlike the Leiksen model, which focuses on rapid heat-up times, this legacy-built tool emphasizes deep tissue cleaning for all sealed surfaces from porcelain to hardwood. It is a vital acquisition for pet owners who want to eliminate odors without saturating their living space in artificial fragrances. One trade-off is the bulkier frame compared to ultra-slim designs, which requires a bit more effort when navigating tight bathroom corners. Opting for this engineering means you are finally replacing the drudgery of chemical buckets with a high-temperature solution that respects your family's air quality. You are investing in a future where your floors look as pristine as the day they were installed. Your home finally regains that fresh, barefoot luxury that only pure steam can provide. The third one on our list is GorFanty Steam Mop. Walking barefoot across a freshly scrubbed floor often reveals a gritty truth that traditional bucket mops simply cannot address. Most people live in a cycle of pushing dirty water around their home, leaving behind a sticky residue that traps more dust within hours of cleaning. The GorFanty Steam Mop breaks this frustrating loop by deploying purely physical heat at a blistering 230 degrees Fahrenheit to liquefy grime. While many shoppers prioritize massive water tanks, this lightweight unit focuses on ergonomic agility and a 20-second startup time that fits into a busy lifestyle. It features a triple-level steam adjustment that allows you to shift from a gentle mist for sealed marble to a heavy-duty blast for neglected grout lines. Unlike the Hoover model, which carries a heavier frame, this device offers a flexible head with extreme rotation angles to slide under low-profile furniture without straining your back. It is the ultimate tool for the health-conscious household where children and pets play on the floor, as it sanitizes surfaces using only tap water. The 10 included accessories transform it into a handheld powerhouse, capable of refreshing sofa fabrics or degreasing sink tracks. One trade-off is the 300 milliliter tank, which might require a refill during a deep clean of a larger house, but the 23-foot cord ensures you aren't constantly searching for a new outlet. Choosing this thermal solution means you are finally elevating your home maintenance to a professional standard while saving on expensive chemical detergents. You can finally touch your floors with total peace of mind. On number 2 is Bissell Steam Mop. A single drop of conventional floor cleaner can take years to break down in our ecosystem, yet we pour gallons of it into our living spaces every month. This chemical dependency often leaves a dull, hazy film on our cherished hardwoods that masks their natural beauty and traps allergens. The Bissell Steam Mop serves as a heavy-duty thermal intervention, using pressurized, high-temperature steam to liquefy grease and mold without a single drop of toxic additives. While many shoppers prioritize lightweight indoor tools, this industrial-strength 3-in-1 system is built for the garage, the workshop, and even the patio. It transitions seamlessly from an upright floor unit to an extended reach wand for high windows and a compact handheld mode for automotive interiors. Unlike the GorFanty model, which targets quick indoor spills, this powerhouse is designed for the messy reality of recreational vehicles, boats, and outdoor furniture. The variable steam modes and on-demand trigger give you surgical control over the heat intensity, ensuring delicate surfaces are respected while stubborn stains are vaporized. One trade-off for this versatility is the lack of an automatic cord rewind, meaning you have to manually wrap the heavy-duty cable after each session. It is a vital acquisition for the active homeowner who demands a sanitized environment from the mudroom to the driveway. Choosing this hardware means you are finally trading the scent of artificial pine for the pure, crisp reality of a home cleaned by nothing but heat. Your surfaces finally breathe again, reflecting a clarity that only deep thermal sanitization can provide. Now moving to the last one is Shark Steam Mop. Most people assume their floors are clean after a manual wipe, yet they are often just buffing a layer of invisible pathogens and microscopic dust into the grain of their wood. This illusion of cleanliness is a silent stressor that leaves your home feeling heavy despite your hard work. The Shark Steam Mop replaces physical exhaustion with a dual-action system that combines high-temperature sanitization with over 150 mechanical scrubs every single minute. While many users hunt for a high-performance floor sanitizer that relies on stationary heat, this machine utilizes rotating pads to physically lift mustard, grease, and dried mud without you ever breaking a sweat. It features 3 distinct intensity modes and integrated LED headlights that expose the hidden debris lurking in dark corners and under cabinets. Unlike the Bissell model, which leans into industrial versatility, this sleek unit is a specialist for sealed hardwood, marble, and tile, ensuring a streak-free finish that dries almost instantly. It is a game-changer for the busy professional or the active family who needs a polished environment but lacks the hours to spend kneeling on the ground. A minor limitation is the 19-foot cord, which might feel restrictive in open-concept living rooms compared to longer cables. Choosing this technology means you are finally letting the hardware carry the burden of the chore while you enjoy the crisp, tactile sensation of truly bare floors. You are no longer fighting the grime, but gracefully gliding over it toward a more hygienic and serene living space. So guys, this was the video about the best steam mop. We've carefully covered some of the best options available right now to help you make a smarter and more confident decision. Whether you're looking for performance, durability, value for money, or the latest features, this guide was designed to give you a clear and practical overview so you can pick what truly fits your needs. If any of the products we mentioned caught your interest, you'll find all the links conveniently placed in the description below. Make sure to check them out for more details, updated pricing, and availability. Taking a moment to explore those links can really help you choose the right option without any confusion. If you found this video helpful or enjoyed the content, don't forget to hit the like button. Your support means a lot and helps us keep creating more useful and high-quality videos for you. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest uploads. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.